Hi, I'm Rowana from Zeidman Development, and today I'm going to show you how to import data from Qgiv into Razor's Edge using Importacular. Firstly, open Importacular within your plugins area of Razor's Edge. Then select Qgiv from the available data sources. The first time that you use the Qgiv integration, you'll need to enter your API key, which you can find through the Qgiv website. Once you've authenticated the connection between Qgiv and your Razor's Edge using Importacular, you can choose whether you want to restrict by form or not. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to select the Zeidman Form No Restrictions option here from the drop-down. And then you can choose your date range, which you wish to import data from. You also have the option here to enter sub-record placeholders. So once you have selected the correct number against your donations, registrations, participants, and so on, you can click OK to download your data. For this example, we can see that we have 3 records for review. So the next thing we need to do is create our mapping template. So I'll click the green plus sign here and give my mapping template a name. And click to save that. And now I need to create my mappings. So firstly, I'm going to add a new mapping for my constituents. And if we scroll down here, we can see any of the fields which have the green tick are areas that must be mapped. So for surname here, I'll map that against last name. Of course, you can map any of your other areas here as well. So for example, we can see first name is also mapped. Once you're happy with all the mapping set up, you can click to save. And then I'm going to create an address mapping as well. As I did with the constituents, I need to make sure that any of my required areas have been mapped. So I'm going to enter a default value of home for the address type and save. Once you've created all of the necessary mappings, you can save your template and create your control report. And then we'll click to continue, which will take us through to the Importacular review screen. So here under Action to Take, I can see that 2 of my records are new, so Importacular is having to create them. And the middle one here, Importacular has detected that there's some matches within Razor's Edge, so I need to choose whether or not I want to create a new record or update an existing one. So for this example, I'm going to create new. And once I've selected this, I'm going to come down here and click to validate my data. So we can see there's no exceptions, so we can get rid of the validation screen and click to import. And that is how we import data from Qgiv into Razor's Edge using Importacular. Thank you for listening.